Welcome to Wonderslate. Buy smart eBooks from the best publishers. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell.
Topic for today's quiz is Theory of Consumer Behavior. Question number 1. Elasticity of demand is equal to unity, while marginal revenue is Option A, positive. Option B, 0. Option C, indeterminate. Option D, negative. The correct answer is Option B, 0. Question number 2. In the case of giffen goods like bajra, a fall in its price tends to Option A, reduce the demand. Option B, increase the demand. Option C, demand will remain constant. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is Option A, reduce the demand. Question number 3. Which of the following pairs of commodities is an example of substitutes? Option A, coffee and milk. Option B, diamond and cow. Option C, pen and ink. Option D, mustard oil and coconut oil. The correct answer is Option D, mustard oil and coconut oil. Question number 4. A good whose demand by a consumer falls with the rise in income of that consumer is called Option A, normal goods. Option B, inferior goods. Option C, substitute goods. Option D, complementary goods. The correct answer is Option B, inferior goods. Question number 5. Which of the following does not influence the individual demand for a product? Option A, price of product. Option B, price of close substitute. Option C, state of production technology. Option D, change in climatic condition. The correct answer is Option C, state of production technology. Question number 6. Which one of these is an exception to the law of demand? Option A, demonstration effect goods. Option B, giffen goods. Option C, future scarcity of goods. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is Option D, all of the above. Question number 7. Reasons for change in demand increase or decrease in demand are Option A, change in income of consumer. Option B, change in population. Option C, change in fashion and customs. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is Option D, all of the above. Question number 8. Demand for a commodity depends on the relative price of its Option A, substitute goods. Option B, abnormal goods. Option C, inferior goods. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is Option A, substitute goods. Question number 9. Demand curve of a normal goods is Option A, graphical presentation of law of demand. Option B, slopes downward. Option C, explain the relation between price and demand. Option D, all of the above. The correct answer is Option D, all of the above. Question number 10. The demand curve is representation of a demand schedule. Demand curve slopes ward from left to right. Option A, graphical down. Option B, down graphical. Option C, graphical up. Option D, schedule up. The correct answer is Option A, graphical down. Question number 11. For inferior commodities, income effect is Option A, 0. Option B, negative. Option C, infinite. Option D, positive. The correct answer is Option B, negative. Question number 12. When the decrease in the price of one good causes the demand for another good to decrease, the goods are Option A, complements. Option B, normal. Option C, inferior. Option D, substitutes. The correct answer is Option D, substitutes. Question number 13. Which of the following shapes of demand curve shows elasticity equal to unity at all points? Option A rectangular hyperbola. Option B, a perpendicular. Option C, a parabola. Option D, a straight line. The correct answer is Option A. A rectangular hyperbola. Question number 14. An income-demand curve for an inferior commodity slopes. Option A. Horizontal. Option B. Vertical. Option C. Upwards to the right. Option D. Downwards to the right. The correct answer is Option C. Upwards to the right. Question number 15. When the demand curve is a rectangular hyperbola, a fall in the price of a commodity causes total expenditures on the commodity to Option A. Increase. Option B. Decrease. Option C. Remain unchanged. Option D. None of these. The correct answer is Option C. Remain unchanged. Question number 16. Individual demand schedule shows Option A. Tabular presentation of law of demand. Option B. The prices of goods. Option C. The quantities of a commodity purchased. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option D. All of the above. Question number 17. Goods which are paradoxical to the law of demand are Option A. Giffen goods. Option B. Substitute goods. Option C. Complementary goods. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option A. Giffen goods. Question number 18. According to law of demand. Option A. Price of commodity is an independent variable. Option B. Quantity demanded is a dependent variable. Option C. Reciprocal relationship is found between price and quantity demanded. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is Option C. Reciprocal relationship is found between price and quantity demanded. Question number 19. The demand function is a statement of the relationship between Option A. Quantity of factors of production. Option B. Quantity of product demanded and all the factors that affect this quantity. Option C. Quantity demanded and profit. Option D. Product demand and cost of output. The correct answer is Option B. Quantity of product demanded and all the factors that affect this quantity. Question number 20. Movement along a demand curve as a result of change in price is known as Option A. Change in quantity demanded. Option B. Change in demand. Option C. Increase or decrease in demand. Option D. None of the above. The correct answer is Option A. Change in quantity demanded. Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like practice this quiz, then download the Wonderslate app now. Link in the description below. If you have any suggestion for us, feel free to leave comments. If you liked the video and want to see more of it, hit the thumbs up and don't forget to click on subscribe button to get more updates of the future videos.